So welcome back to another module. So in this module I'm going to tell you about the apps in our computer. So just click here in the start menu and you can see different apps are pinned here. To open it, just click on it and you can see that the app has opened, and you can search here your specific or your website here, and at the right top corner you can see this minimize option and this maximize option and this shutdown button or the close option. So if you minimize it, it is minimized in the taskbar. From here you can back maximize it, just click on it and you can see that it has maximized it back. And another very useful option here is this maximize and minimize option. If you put you hover the mouse on it, you can see these different options. From these options you can split your screen into sections, like two sections, two equal section, or two section, one is smaller and another is bigger, or in three sections and also in four sections. Suppose I want to put this Microsoft Edge in this right side of my screen like this, and I want to open another application here, and I want to open this suppose in this Sublime Text here. Just double click on it and I want to put it on the left side of my screen. Just come here and click here. Now you can see both programs open at the same time on the screen, and we can work on both applications at the same times. Also we can open more applications from here. Now you can see that it is at the bottom right corner of my screen, and I can put it at the bottom left corner of my screen like this, and I can also open two more applications here, or one more application at the top of this screen. So just I want to close this all from here, and if you come here you can see this different application is pinned here. Also you can search in here our applications like PowerPoint. You can see PowerPoint just appeared here. Just right click on it and pin to the start menu. You can pin on the start menu, or we can just pin on the taskbar. Suppose I want to pin it on the taskbar. Now you can see that it has pinned in the taskbar. Or I can just put the shortcut of this PowerPoint on the desktop. To put it, just right click on it and open the file location, and just find the PowerPoint icon from here and right click on it and find send to option from here. If you cannot find here, just click show more options and then go to send to, and then select desktop create shortcut. Now you can see PowerPoint shortcut just edit here in our desktop. And to open the PowerPoint from desktop, we have to just double click on it, and to open from the taskbar, we have to click once on it. So this is the difference to opening from desktop and from opening from taskbar and from opening from desktop. Also we can access more apps from here. Just click all apps and you can see different apps here. To pin it on the task bar or on the start menu, just right click on it and you can see pin to the start, or from here pin to the task bar. So this is okay. If you want to unpin from taskbar, just right click on it and unpin from taskbar, select this option. Now you can see that it has disappeared from taskbar. And also if you can remove from the desktop, just click on it and just press delete, and it has removed from task from desktop. If you want to access it back, you can see here it is still in the recycle bin. Just double click on it, you can see it is here. Just restore it from here, right click on it and show more option, and here restore, click restore. Now it has it must be reappear here. You can see here it is appear back in our desktop. To remove it permanently here, just right click on it and press shift delete and press yes. It is disappeared from our desktop and it is not in recycle bin anymore. So this is all from our apps module. So see you in the next module.